The SDS43 is a powerful diagnostic tool that is OBD2 compliant and supports all 10 OBD2 modes. The Oxygen Sensor Monitor, or Mode 5, displays oxygen sensor monitoring test results. This mode is not available on vehicles using the KEND protocol. The OBD Monitor Test, or Mode 6, are the diagnostic tests being performed for emission-related powertrain components and systems that are not continuously monitored. The tool retrieves pass or fail results from the most recently performed tests from the computer's memory. Request Control Onboard System, or Mode 8, sends the request to initiate testing of an onboard system or component. The tool sends a command to the vehicle's onboard computer to perform one or more specific tests, and retrieves the results when the test is completed. The specific components or systems for which test results are available vary between vehicle manufacturers, makes, and models. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.